Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious fruit salad, step by step. First, let's gather our ingredients. The key to a great fruit salad is selecting a variety of fresh, ripe fruits. Aim for at least 3 to 5 different types to ensure a vibrant mix of colors and textures. Think about incorporating juicy berries, sweet melon, crisp grapes, and tangy citrus. Always check that your fruits are firm and free from any blemishes for the best quality. Now that you have your beautiful selection of fruits, it's time to prepare them. Begin by thoroughly washing all your fruits under cool, running water to remove any dirt or residues. After washing, gently pat them dry with a clean paper towel. Next, peel any fruits that require it, such as oranges, kiwis, or bananas. Finally, carefully chop larger fruits like melons and pineapples into uniform, bite-sized pieces, ideally around 1-inch cubes, for easy eating. With all your fruits prepped, it's time for the fun part, assembling your salad. Carefully transfer all the chopped and peeled fruit pieces into a large mixing bowl. To enhance the flavors and prevent browning, consider adding a simple dressing. Squeeze the juice of 1 fresh lemon or lime over the fruit. For a touch of sweetness, you can drizzle in 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey or maple syrup. Gently toss the fruit salad to ensure every piece is evenly coated. Your delicious fruit salad is almost ready to enjoy. Once assembled, cover the bowl tightly with plastic wrap or an airtight lid. Place the salad in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This chilling time allows all the wonderful flavors to meld together beautifully. Before serving, you might want to add a final touch, like a garnish of fresh mint leaves or a sprinkle of shredded coconut. Serve your chilled fruit salad as a refreshing side dish or a delightful light dessert.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.